Remember your first welcome party after 2+ years of COVID isolation? Do you feel socially satisfied? Or do you feel left out? It may depend on whether your close friends are also going to the party. And this is what loneliness is. Loneliness is a subjective emotional experience to your social relationships, and both quantity and quality matter. It is normal to feel lonely from time to time. In fact, loneliness is an important survival sign that drives us to reconnect with others. However, if loneliness becomes chronic, it becomes a threat to our health. Loneliness can happen to anyone, but is loneliness experience of a 70-year-old who lives alone the same as a graduate student like me who goes to the lab on a daily basis? Probably not the same. The social expectation and social life are different when we are in different life stages. As a neuroscientist, I'm interested to know how our brain processes loneliness across the lifespan. I study people aged between 36 to 100, and I use brain imaging, which take pictures of our brain, and I extract signals from those pictures. We view the brain as a large network, like a highway system. The signals represent traffic that brings information to different parts of the brain. My study found a structure called caudate showed different traffic patterns based on different levels of loneliness. Caudate is a C-shaped structure that sits deep inside the brain. It is part of the social brain system that is known to process socially rewarding information. More interestingly, this caudate traffic change is different between younger people and older people. When we feel lonely, our brain will try to make adjustments. One thing our brain does is to increase our vigilance to the social environment. Previous studies suggest that our brain pays particular attention to negative social information, like potential social threats and social rejection. On the other hand, as my study showed that it is possible loneliness can also change how we process socially rewarding information. Together, loneliness could change how we see the social world and likely to affect how we react during social interactions. And this change may be different based on people's age. Tackling chronic loneliness is an important issue in our society. Understanding how our brain processes loneliness can help us to develop more individualized and age-appropriate interventions to combat loneliness. Thank you so much.